Good news! We're giving out $2,000 in cash prizes and PayPal money to 20 new subscribers. That's $200 each as a celebration gift from our new channel. Now, here are the 4 steps to enter. First, subscribe to our channel. Second, like this video. Third, hit the notification bell. And lastly, leave a nice comment below. And now, back to the video.
Finding a job has been a burden because they are hard to come by and may pay less. If you want to be your own boss and make more money than you do at your typical 9-to-5 job, you may want to consider earning money in a far simpler way. I'll be honest, when I first learned about this method, I was a little skeptical. But as time went on, I was just in awe. Just think about how much money you could make online in a single day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make hundreds of dollars each day by using only the apps that I'll be demonstrating. You heard me correctly, using the method I'll demonstrate, you can make up to $800 each hour. Because of this, I'm asking you to watch the entire video so you can see everything we did in detail and ensure that you don't miss anything important. Let's return to the video now. The first app that I want to demonstrate to you is called AdWallet. AdWallet is a GetPaid app that rewards you for watching ads and taking parts in other tasks. AdWallet's primary source of income is the advertising they put on the app. Now, I want you to go to their website at adwallet.com and log in to see all of the available ads that you can watch. But if you do not have an account, make sure to sign up on their website first to access the ads. If you already have an account, go ahead and sign in to see all of the available ads that you can watch. It's free, simple, and available anywhere in the world. So wherever you are, you can enjoy the AdWallet service and earn some money. Once you're logged in, AdWallet will send you a text message with the link to watch the ad whenever one is available for you to watch. If you gave them your mobile number, you can simply click the link and watch the ad. The following few questions are asked so that you can demonstrate that you are paying attention to the advertisement that you are seeing. After you have finished the short questionnaire, you will be paid approximately 50 cents. This is the set payment you will receive for each advertisement you see, regardless of how long it plays. If the advertisement asks you to take further tasks, such as sharing it on Facebook or Twitter, you can increase your earnings. You can also earn money by referring others to use AdWallet. Once the person you invited signs up for the site, you will receive $1. Now that you're aware of how their referral program operates, you may be wondering how to pay out your profits. There is a $10 minimum requirement before you can cash out your payments. However, after you reach the minimum amount, you can choose to withdraw your earnings by a direct bank transfer or convert them into gift cards like Amazon or Target. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Now let's move on to the next app on our list, CashKarma. CashKarma is a platform where you can earn points for answering online surveys and other small tasks. It is available for both Android and iOS devices, and it has over 1 million downloads. It has a rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars in the Google Play Store, which I believe is sufficient evidence that this platform is excellent. The main way to make money on CashKarma is to earn points by completing various surveys. You can also get points by signing up for offers, watching videos, and earning location rewards. Just like the last app, you can also make money by referring your friends to use the app. CashKarma is a free app that can be downloaded on both Android and iOS devices. Before you can start earning points, you must first sign up for a free account and create a username and password. If you're using CashKarma on iOS, you must enable tracking information for fraud prevention and track rewards so you know that this app is legitimate. The first time you log in, you will receive 300 points for free. You can browse surveys immediately on the home screen and earn up to 200 points for completing them. The upper left corner of the website shows the total number of points you have earned. You can also earn points through promotions. These provide more points, usually around 400 or more, but they typically require a combination of longer surveys and occasionally installing a specific app and then writing a review for that app. The platform also offers what is known as reward levels, which allow it to reward regular users with higher point benefits. All you have to do to progress is keep using the app regularly. The cash out option for CashKarma allows you to exchange your Karma points for gift cards or PayPal Cash. The minimum withdrawal amount for PayPal payment is $20, which is equal to 13,500 Karma points. Now you may choose from more than 50 plus retailers including Amazon, Starbucks, Walmart, and others. They also have other gift cards including those from Amazon, iTunes, Google Play, and Starbucks for a minimum of 11,000 Karma points for every $20 worth of gift cards. The next app I'll show you is called GetPaidTo, and you can join and create an account for free on this website by clicking the large Join Free Today button on the GetPaidTo page over here. This will take you then to another page where you can easily enter your name, password, birthday, and country information. Don't worry about access restrictions because this website is available from any location in the world. After that, clear the CAPTCHA at the bottom to confirm that you're not a bot, and you should be ready to go. Now, once you've created an account, you'll notice here on the homepage that there are a lot of game options to choose from, and you can make as much as $2 to $3 per games, which is pretty cool, right? Some games will pay you more money, while others will pay you less. As of the time of this video's recording, the highest paying game is this one called Football Tricks, so be sure to check it out. If you want to play other games, you may do so and still make money in some other way. You can also earn points by participating in other surveys. There are many high-paying surveys available, and when you complete one of them, you'll get the promised reward, which you can see when you view all of the available surveys. There are several ways to cash out your earnings on GetPaidTo. You can use direct bank transfer, Skrill, or PayPal, or exchange your points for Amazon gift cards. The number of points required to redeem a reward depends on the reward you choose. For direct bank transfer and PayPal withdrawals, you'll need 25,000 points, which is equal to $10. For the other reward categories, you just need 5,000 points to get $1. If you mix and switch between these three methods, you may be able to earn up to $800. Using just one of them is simple. Using all three of them at once is no problem. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.